Hi. People are going to be using Marian Island in a number of different ways. And when you first land, you're going to come into some type of a garden area. And I'm saying some type because it's under development and might be shifted. We have a wonderful artist working with us here. So when you first land, you may be actually in some of the shrubs. Just use your keyboard arrows to get moving and you'll have access to the island. To see the overall island, I'm going to click the map icon down below and bring the map into play. And this is where I am right now, where I've landed. Around the perimeter, you're going to find a number of buildings. This island serves as an inventory location for builders who come here and get some of the inventory donated by generous artists. And depending on what you're coming in for and where you might be sent, you will maybe go to some of these other islands as well. Certainly you're encouraged to go and explore them. The section up at the top with the red box around it has information about some of the basics of getting avatar clothing, and you might be doing some of that in some of your classes. I'm going to double click, which is the way you can quickly move to any of these areas. I'm going to double click into this area and I'm going to be teleported to an area where students come to get inventory items. So if you go into this place, you're going to see a variety of all sorts of items that can be gathered for people who are building. So there's not any particular pattern right here in terms of what you're going to find. It's just an inventory. Now, if I go back to the map again, I can experiment with some of the other places. For example, if I come down to this bottom left corner, you're going to see buildings that are somewhat fanciful. And again, builders come here to get these items. But if you're just coming here for a meeting, you will probably be, I open the map again, in the area just near where we landed. So I'm going to just end by going over there. And as you see, I take shortcuts. I don't always bother walking. And let me move this out of the way. You're going to find that there's an eclectic mix of chairs. And you can try right-clicking on any one of them, then clicking Sit Here, and finding that you're going to have a number of different poses possible, and that these are going to be some of the general meeting places. So when you actually meet, you'll learn more how to use the tools and navigation. But if you're coming here for a meeting, just have a seat and wait for the rest of the group to join you.